What up, guys? It's Friday, May 29th. And what we're going to do today is we're going to start a project that you're mainly going to work on next week. But there's some preparation that you guys need to do today in order to be prepared to actually work on this thing starting on Monday so you can get it done in a reasonable amount of time. All right, so I'm just going to read for you what that preparation looks like here. All right. So this is in your Canvas, right? Under assignments for today, for Friday. Um, Here's what needs to get done today. All right. One thing, find a partner for this project, or you may decide to work alone. That's fine. But we are encouraging you to find a partner for this. Okay. It's kind of more fun when you have a partner for this project. So, again, maybe call one of your friends or something and figure out if they want to work with you. But again, you can have one partner. All right. So these groups are two people at most. All right. So find a partner for this if you can in a reasonable amount of time. If not, you might have to work alone. That's also fine. But more importantly, what you need to do today for this two-way table project is you need to create a survey using Google Forms and send the survey to at least 25 other students or people. All right. You can do more than 25. 25 is just the minimum. Okay. You may survey students in other classes or other schools. That's totally fine with me. All right. What you're going to do to send the survey anyway is you're going to send it through email. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make this video with you, but please watch the creative survey video if you need help with this. All right. So if you're watching this video, you're obviously watching that create a survey video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through with you guys how do you create this survey in the first place in Google Forms. All right. Now, if you want to see what this project looks like the whole thing, if you look under your assignments for next week, I have an assignment of Monday through Friday, the two-way table project. You can see the link in there and what exactly you're going to be working on. So it says here, next week, you will work on the project. You can see project details under the assignment for next week. So again, you can see the entire assignment if you look at next week's assignments. But today, this is what you need to get done. All right, is at least send this survey out. So Monday, when Monday rolls around, you have responses from people and you can start the project. All right, so here's how we do this. Here's how we create a survey in Google Forms. I'm just going to open a new tab here. All right, and I'm going to click on Google Apps and I'm going to find Forms. All right, here's Forms. I'm going to go in there. I'm just going to pick a blank one. All right, pick a blank one. Okay, let's title this thing. I'm just going to say it's two-way table project. All right, we don't really need a description at all. Okay, so this is just your title up here. And now you're going to ask your questions here. Okay, so you and your partner are going to come up with two questions, all right, that you need to ask with two options for answers. All right, we're making two-way tables. Okay, so example, very, very generic example. Do you prefer chocolate or vanilla? All right, do you prefer chocolate or vanilla? Now, here are your answers. Here's option one. And right here, where it says add option, boom, just click on that. Boom, done. It's a multiple choice question. Here are the two choices. That's it. Here's your question. Here's your two choices. I'm going to hit that this is required so that when you give the survey, people have to answer it in order to submit it. Okay. But that's, boom, that's one question. I need one more. So right here, if you look at this little circle with the plus sign on the top of the options here, if you click on that, that's going to add a question. All right. I'm just going to say, do you prefer Nike or Adidas? All right. Again, pretty generic. And then your options, Nike, Adidas. Done. I'm going to click here to make sure this is required for your the people to submit. All right, but that, guys, is it. All right, I just made my survey. Simple as that. Really simple. Now, all I got to do is go to the top here and click send. All right. And I'm going to send this form through email. Okay. So here it says automatically collect respondent's email address. You might want to click that just so you know who answered. All right. Now I'm going to send the email to whoever I want. Okay. If you start typing the person's name in, I'm just going to choose Miss Stanislawski. So I start typing her name in, boom, she's right at the top. I click on that. What you can do is you can just list out 25 people in there. And then you could hit right here, include form and email if you want, and you're going to click send. Okay? Simple as that. That's your job for today. All right? Is to create a survey with 2 questions, with 2 responses for each question, and you're going to send that out to at least 25 people. All right? But there's a video of how to create this form, all right, in Google Forms, how to create this survey. Now, what you're going to see is once you send it, you're going to see responses, and you can go in and complete your project using this. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you have questions, let me know through email. All right? Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.